The industrial waste section completes local limits monitoring every 5 years to protect Fairfax County's wastewater infrastructure. This critical asset provides reliable, cost-effective sewer service to residents and helps protect public health and the environment. Our monitoring provides data to develop limits for toxic pollutants. These limits help ensure our wastewater treatment plant achieves optimal performance and prevents the pass-through of pollutants to our local waterways.
Local limit sampling requires 7 consecutive days of collecting samples from locations in the sewer system and where the flow enters and leaves the wastewater treatment process. At each sample location, we monitor the air for worker safety, we access the sampler, we collect in-field samples according to procedure, and set up equipment for the next day.
After collection, samples are prepared for transfer to the Environmental Monitoring Branch on-site laboratory for extensive analytical testing. Successful local limits monitoring is a result of teamwork, constant communication, and dedication of all employees. Local limits are a regulatory requirement issued by the state to control the discharge of pollutants that could interfere with or damage the wastewater infrastructure.
This monitoring is just one way our IWS employees work to help protect, restore, and enhance human health and the environment for those that live, work, and visit Fairfax County.